In their groundbreaking study, 6 Myths of Product Development, Stefan Tomke and Donald Reynoldson exposed common fallacies of product development and presented best practices for overcoming them. Here's what it means for the optical products you design. Best practice number 1. Remain open to an evolving development plan. Rather than rigidly adhering to original development plans, it's more prudent to establish workflows that position you to quickly and easily make any adjustments needed during your design phase. Imagine the ability to foster an agile design process that simplifies rapid communication of design changes to everyone who needs them, without transition errors. Best practice number 2. Use iterative, not linear, design processes. With a linear approach, the cycle of prototype and redesign is often repeated many times before an optomechanical design is finalized. This increases costs, delays time to market, and causes stress on the design team. What if you could iterate rapidly and streamline the communication between optical and mechanical engineers so teams get to a qualified design more quickly? Best practice number 3. Experiment with smaller batches for faster feedback. When optical designs with 10 to 20 new components are turned into physical prototypes, the chances of creating a successful physical prototype on the first attempt are slim. The chance of isolating a problematic component in a physical prototype is even slimmer. What if it was possible to isolate each change made so that the impact can be seen across the entire product? Best practice number 4. Quantify the cost of delays and factor it into your decisions. What if you could eliminate the sources of many delays altogether? Best practice number 5. Experiment early, rapidly, and frequently. You've probably heard the expression, fail early, fail often. Design changes become exponentially more expensive the further you get into the design process. There is a way you can catch errors early in the design process, rapidly experiment with new ideas, and validate solutions through simulation and software before getting to a physical prototype. Best practice number 6. Make information flows visible. In product development, it's often difficult to communicate critical information across different roles and teams. Providing greater visibility into key data will combat this challenge in any cross-functional team. What if you could give both your optical design and mechanical design teams detailed optical performance data, including results for spot size, beam clipping, and image contamination? Would this insight give you the confidence that the optical system will work as expected when physical prototypes are built? Companies developing cutting-edge optical products, from virtual reality to autonomous vehicles, can gain an enormous competitive advantage by following best practices in product development. With Zemax virtual prototyping, you can improve optical performance, cut your product development time dramatically, and reduce costs by creating a virtual prototype of a complete optomechanical assembly. Download the eGuide for engineering management at zemax.com/6bestpractices.